Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tamar Octavia Sari. On this occasion, I was given the task of speaking in English. Without extending the opening sentence, let me start right away. Before that, I want to tell you that the info I took from kapanlagi.com. This time, I will talk about a member of Treasure. Treasure is a boy group from South Korea. Okay, get to know Yoshi Treasure. Yoshi Treasure has the real name Kanemoto Yoshinori. He is one of the Treasure members from Japan. Here are some interesting facts about Yoshi. The first, live for art. As fate would have it, Yoshi did live for Seno. This can be seen how Yoshi has a life motto which reads, "Life together with music." Not only that, Yoshi is also very fond of composing songs and doing beatbox. So don't be surprised if he's currently a cool and extraordinary idol. The second, hobbies and likes. Apart from liking art, Yoshi also likes skateboarding. Yoshi really likes playing guitar and also watching anime. Not only that, Yoshi also really likes to eat and talk to himself. The third, childhood dream. When he was little, Yoshi really wanted to be a racer, but unfortunately, when he grew up, Yoshi became interested in the art world and tried to audition for YG Entertainment. The fourth, have intelligence. Not only does he have captivating visuals and he is good at art, but this oppa is also good at solving the Rubik's Cube. Make me love you more. The fifth, a man who talks a lot. And finally, Yoshi Treasure is a man who talks a lot. Yes, has a pleasant personality, makes Yoshi talk a lot with his friends. Those are a series of unique and interesting Yoshi Treasure facts, not only smart in terms of art, but Yoshi is also good at doing absurd things in his life. Well, it seems I've talked a lot and it here. I hope you guys can also like Treasure. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.